On one of my previous videos, I made my first ever Python game, but it was pretty trash. So I decided to make a part 2 and add more features. The first change I decided to make was to make the player teleport through walls instead of getting stuck. You can see when my player hits a wall, he gets stuck, and that needs to be changed. And that was looking a really easy change to make, as you can see in the before and after images. After that, one thing kept bugging me, and that was the player always looked to the right. And when moving left, he just moves like Prime Michael Jackson. So I fixed that with just 2 pieces of code, as you can see, and there's no more Michael Jackson movements. So I noticed that collecting coins was just too boring, and one simple trick to changing that was to add sound effects. So I made the sound effects code and made it play the Super Mario coin sound. Now I decided to add the start screen mainly because of the last change I made by the end of the video. But here's the code, and this is what it looks like. And for the final change, I decided to add a way to punish players for not collecting a coin.